Welcome to another Matt Hume Pizza video. I'm going to do a box opening. Here's a printer toner that I took out of the box. This is a toner. I just made a hole in it. There it is. So, get this out. I'm sure there's going to be stickers and crap to take off, as there always is, which is good. It's a good, I believe that orange thing will have to be taken off. Yes, it says pull. So I pull that out, and there's always pull this. What does it say? Okay. Pull that out. Pretty sure I was supposed to do that. And then this orange thing comes off. Come on. You know it doesn't need this crap. And then this stupid thing. I'm glad it's brand new. That's good. But I mean, there's a certain degree of trust. But this protects the. It just pretend we'll pull up on it. All right. Now let's go find my printer. There's an arrow on here. Alright. Hello, Mr. Printer. How are you doing? How are you? As you can see on top of the printer, I wrote down the information about it. Toner cartridge, black ink, HF248A-2PK printer, 48A, CF248A. I used a marker because these printers, I don't know who makes them, but they don't do a very good job with telling you what types of you have to look all over the stupid thing to find out what kind of machine it is, and it's just a bunch of nonsense there.